The only thing we have left to style in our slideshow is the pagination down here. So let's inspect this element and take a look at the HTML structure. So it looks like it's an ordered list, and it's got list items and A tags. The ordered list itself seems like the containing element, and if we look at the styles for that, it's giving it a position of absolute, which means that it's going to be relative to its container, which in this case is the slideshow container, and it's saying bottom negative 40 pixels, which means that it's going to find the bottom of the element and go negative 40 pixels, which will actually be down in this case. So if we adjusted this here and we made it 0 pixels, you would see it actually bump up. You can just barely make out this black circle right here, but it bumps up right inside the container. So that's what we want. Let's take a look at the design to get a sense for the spacing here. So if we look at this at about real size, it looks like we should be maybe 20 pixels up, 18 pixels up from the bottom. So if we go back to the browser here and we do a quick measurement, again, I know it's tough to see, but we have about 5 pixels. So let's change this bottom to 15 pixels to bring it up. And now we can't really see it, but we can hover over the elements and see what it would take to adjust the color properly here. So let's check if the styling is being set on the list item. Okay, I don't see any colors here. So let's check the A. All right, so the background is being set here. It looks like the idea is that they're setting a big border radius on it and setting the background color to make it circular, just like we've done for our circular icons.